Did you just receive an exciting new product? Is there a product you want to open and review? Well, lots of people are making unboxing videos to show off new gifts and products. So, an unboxing video is what you'll want to make. But this takes time and effort. You'll have to learn video editing, pick up a few graphic software skills. Or do you? I'm going to show you how to make an unboxing video with UniConverter. Do you want to make an unboxing video without going through the hassle of editing the video? How about adding some text and graphics into the mix as well? Seems like a lot of work, right? Well, not unless you use UniConverter. UniConverter is a lightweight program. It's fast, responsive, and works great on older computers as well. So this is how it's going to work. What you need is your laptop or a computer with a webcam. Get ready some slides or maybe a web page or something you'd like to show on screen with features of your product. Brand new. Your unboxing is recorded by the webcam on your laptop. As this happens, you'll also record your screen, including the slides which are displayed alongside the unboxing. Don't worry if there's a mistake or two, we'll easily trim the video, remove the unwanted parts, no fuss at all. Isn't it fast and easy? Now let's begin. Download and install UniConverter. We'll begin by setting up your screen by selecting the Screen Recorder module. At the Screen Recorder interface, I'll choose Full Screen to record my entire screen. Select your headphones or speakers here. Choose a microphone if you have an external one connected. Otherwise, just use the built-in one. Let's check out the other settings before we enable the webcam. Save to shows where your screen recording goes to. Select a frame rate here. The higher, the better, but don't use anything below 25 frames per second. I'm using high for my video quality. Set your output format to MP4 as it can be played on most computers and devices. Down here, you can schedule recordings, but at this point, we don't need this feature nor do we need the mouse effects. Now, we'll assemble our slides. I've gathered some pictures here and I'll open them up with Preview. That's my Mac's built-in image viewer. I'll get them all ready to play back as a slideshow. You can also do this on your PC as well with the Photos app or Photo Viewer. Once your webcam is enabled, you can reposition your profile anywhere on your screen. You can even resize it. That's it! You're all set to make an unboxing video. So get your box ready and press record. Are we ready? Hi everyone, and here is OLight. Now you can move your graphics or slides along during the unboxing to highlight your talking points and make the video more interesting. Stop the recording when you're done. Review your video. You're all set to upload this video to social media, but if there are any parts you'd like to trim or remove, check it out. We can use Smart Trimmer. Head over to the toolbox and click on Smart Trimmer. The Smart Trimmer is the fastest way to trim and edit out parts of a video clip. So, load up your unboxing video. The length of your video clip is represented as a timeline. Waveforms are graphics display of your audio. To review your video, drag the top of the orange playhead to scrub through and view any part of your video. Directly click on any part of the timeline to navigate faster. You can use the play button or use the spacebar as a play-pause shortcut. Start trimming your video by clicking on the trim or scissor icon on your playhead. This action will slice your video into a segment. You can also use the scissor icon here to make a slice or press Ctrl B. Remove a segment of your video by selecting the segment and clicking on the eye or hide icon. The shortcut to hide a segment is Ctrl H. Hidden segments will not show up in your final video. They are as good as deleted, but don't worry, your original video will not be changed. To fine-tune or modify your trims, select a segment, mouse over the trim point until your mouse icon changes into a multi-directional scroll icon. Drag either way to modify your trim. Use the zoom slider to magnify your timeline. On the playback panel, the play section button lets you review a selected segment. It looks like my unboxing video has been trimmed and I'm ready to remove the unnecessary parts. But just a couple of steps left. Let's take a snapshot for our YouTube thumbnail. Move your playhead around to find a suitable frame. Use the screenshot button to create a thumbnail. The last step is to click on Save. UniConverter will export your file. Once your video is ready, it will be found by clicking on this icon. Push. Wow, look at that. I've got a bonus tip for you. How to remove your background and create an attractive YouTube thumbnail. Enter PixCut. This is an amazing program. It's free and it works in your browser. That means PixCut will work on your mobile devices too. Head over to PixCut. The link is in the description below. And upload a picture of yourself. In a matter of seconds, PixCut uses AI to automatically remove the background. There's really nothing you need to do. Don't worry about giving PixCut a challenge either. This software is amazing. PixCut takes all the hard work out of removing backgrounds from images. Once you've downloaded your completed image in PNG format, you can replace the background and you're on your way to creating attention-grabbing YouTube thumbnails. So, we've learned how to use Screen Recorder to record our unboxing video with talking points and graphics. We've learned how to trim and fine-tune the recording. And the result is an eye-catching unboxing video. I hope you found these tips useful. It's Baron here. For more tips and tutorials, like our videos, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next episode.